Pero Larry at Rosa, tatandaan ninyo palagi na naririto kayo ngayon hindi lamang sa inyong pagmamahala. It is not because your emotion or the feelings. Naririto kayo ngayon because it is your decision na magpakasal kayong dalawa.
Something in your eyes, it holds a big surprise. It made me realize how much I adore you.
Mahal ko, promise ko sa'yo, simula ngayon, magiging mabuting may bahay ako sa'yo. Babawasan ko yung pagsusungit ko, hindi ko lalahatin, babawasan ko lang. Magiging mabuting may bahay ako sa'yo at aalagaan kita hanggang sa ating pag-ibig.
Can't you see the way I blush? But I don't wanna rush things with you, my love. You're all I think of, truly sent from above.
Pag-aasawa ay hindi laging masaya. May ups and downs yan. Sa pag-aasawa, hindi nawawala minsan ang tampuhan at ang awayan. Pero happiness should always prevail.
Now I get so weak when I hear you speak. Girl, I get so weak. I get butterflies.
Mahal ko, pinapangako ko sa iyo na paglilingkuran kita ng habang buhay sa inyo ng pagsinhawa hanggang tayo ay tumanda na at magkaroon ng marami.
Oh, I love the way you smile. It's got me going wild. I never imagined having this feeling. Oh no, from the way you flip your hair to the glances that you share and the loving way you care as my heart hit the ceiling. You're my crush. Can't you see the way I blush? But I don't wanna rush things too quick with you. You're my baby boo. Oh darling, I love you. Girl, I get butterflies when I look in your eyes. Girl, I get butterflies. Yeah, but I say no, I get so.
Kailanman hindi kita pagtatakilan. Isuot mo at pakaingatan ang singsing na ito na siyang siyangla ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan.